Retain Garden Tool Treatment is an organic spray that cleans, lubricates, sanitizes, and stops rust on all types of hand or power pruning shears and saws in one easy step. Retain is registered as an organic product with the Washington State Department of Agriculture. Traditional products require using abrasion to remove dirt from pruning tool blades, which can damage cutting edges. Spray Retain onto dirty tool blades and wipe with a cloth for easy removal of sap and other dirt matter. Tools will cut better and last longer. Retain keeps plants healthy by killing plant disease on pruning tools that can transfer to healthy plants. Retain contains food-grade mineral oil to prevent rusting and keep tools operating smoothly. As a professional landscape gardener, I find it to be the best product for controlling Fusarium wilt fungal plant disease. My pruning tools cut better and last longer when I use Retain Garden Tool Treatment.